Welcome back. My name is Sergey with Architectural Mall. Today we'll be talking about our PVC column wraps that are manufactured as two halves to be assembled on site. And we have hundreds of different styles to choose from. They all have to be square. They could be non-tapered or tapered, like this sample here. We have our recessed panel, our fluted. We can have single fluting, double panel fluting like you see here, or triple fluting. Your plain, your raised panel, and same thing with the panels. We could break that up into 1, 2, or 3. All of our PVC columns are made right here in West Chicago, Illinois. Every single one of them is CNC'd on our machine, so meaning it's not standard, it's not custom. If you need a column that's 44.5 inches, we'll make a column that's 44.5 inches, which saves you time and money in the field. We have different options for our bases, for our caps. All of this can be adjusted as well. This is our craftsman style caps and bases. All of our columns do come with the cleats for easier installation. And we have a great video on YouTube showing how easy these columns are to install. Literally a couple hours can turn your house into a brand new one. Thank you for watching.